Hey guys, today's video I need to start cleaning my PS4 because it sounds like a jet, but you came to the right place and I will show you how I clean my PS4 because I had it for 2018, so it's been like 2 years right now, but I need to start cleaning it. But here's the things that you need for your PS4 before you start cleaning it. Alright you guys, I just wrote down the things that you need that I suggest you to get for your PS4 to clean. First thing you need is Ultra Duster can. I'm pretty sure you can get one of those from the stores. Next thing that you need is a Phillips screwdriver. I'm sure I wrote down the different sizes there, so that's what you need. It's more like a pen here, but it's not like a pen, but it's pretty close enough. Anyways, the next thing you need a security torque screwdriver. It'll come like different sizes, but you need the one that has a hole on it. So here's another one, T8 torque, that's the most important. And there's a T6 torque for the screwdriver, so that's what you need. And I'm pretty sure it'll come from a package like this. Of course it's made by China, but I left a link in there so you guys can check it out. I just ordered this on Amazon. Pretty useful. Next thing that you need, dry wipes for your PS4 because you need to start cleaning it and clean the dust out of the way. And last but least, you need Windex. And that's all the things that you need for cleaning your PS4. So let's get started. Alright then. So guys, I just want to let you know, if you're not confident to clean your PS4, I suggest you to get a adult to help you to clean the PS4 and watch this video how I do it. So let's get started here. Anyways, since you guys, I want to let you know that if you have a warranty sticker there, like if you got it like last year or this year, please don't clean the PS4 because my warranty is already passed. That means I can clean it because I got it for 2018, so that's why I didn't touch it. So I had to wait the 1-year warranty just to make sure, because you never know if you guys want to sell it or trade it in or give it to a friend. So I suggest you to wait, but since I need to start cleaning it, and as you can see it's all dusty here, so let me take off the stickers here. Also, I almost forget, make sure that you check your PS4 that it doesn't have any disc inside. Now, further ado, let's get started since I'm wearing gloves because I don't know how much dust I have, and it's like I'm doing my exam, trying to pass the exam. So what you need a T8 torque security bit. Make sure there's like four screws that you have to take out. Alright you guys, I got done taking those security screws. Now lift your PS4 upside down and gently try to open over here where I put my hand. Just try to open gently. As you can see, put your fingers in. Try not to break it, just gently, no rush here. There we go. Okay, at least it's opening, and let's see inside. Oh. Okay, yeah, it's a little dirty as you can see, and there's dust came in. Oof. Alright. Now let me see the fan, since sometimes your PS4 overheats because of the fan. And yeah, well, it's a little dusty, I gotta say. Yep, a little dust in there. So that's where you have to clean your PS4, and right now I have to take out the power source here, unscrew those, and see what's inside of the air heat over here. But here we go. Okay, you need a Phillips screwdriver. It's the PH1. So I'm gonna try to open it and see what's going on in there. I didn't expect that. My PS4 is a little dust in there, but it sounds like a jet, so I had to clean it right away. Of course, I had it for 2 years and I haven't touched the warranty stickers because you never know if I have to wait. Alright, let's see to open that up. Nope, it's still screwed. Oh, this one is pretty big. Alright. Okay, that's out. Now we need, let's see if it's a T8 torque. Yep, it is. Okay. I should say 3. 3 security screwdrivers here with a torque. Just want to let you guys know. Alright, see if I can lift it. Alright, I took off the gloves because there's some reason it won't let me lift it, but you lift it over here, like there is a way to lift it. But you have to lift it gently because there's a cord in it. Plus I don't want to touch that actually. Okay, so you lift it gently. Let's see. There we go. Okay, as you can see, there's a cord right there, so I'd rather not touch it. But I'm just gonna leave it like this. There we go. Okay, since I'm not gonna open that because that's where the cord and the power cord for this PS4, and let's see if there's dust in there. Yep, there is. There's a little dust inside of it of that heat, as you can see. Well then, I guess it's time to get clean in here. Okay, here we go. Here's the next part. Alright, you guys, you get your Ultra Duster, and don't forget to remove the top one. That way you guys can spray it. So I'm gonna put my hand over here that way, just to hold the fan. And I have to blow dust inside of it, of the air heat, because that's where dust came in. Oh, there is. Oh, Jesus. For 2 years on my PS4. Dang, what? This is my first time cleaning my PS4. Also, don't worry about the white stuff. Okay, we got dust on this power supply. So yeah, most important for your PS4, of course I'm not taking the whole part of my PS4, just a few parts that I need to take out. So most important is the ear heat and the fan, because that's where your PS4 overheats. Depends how long you have it. Alright, pretty sure it's good and new now. Now let me see if it's clean inside. Yep, I'm sure it's clean inside. Alright, and the fun part of the heat. Okay, that's clean too. Alright, also you can use a brush and you can clean it inside of the PS4 here on that fan. Trying to see if there's no dust inside of it. There's no dust inside of there. Good. Alright. Good as new. I'm sure my PS4 won't sound like a jet. But next time I'll take my PS4 apart, like near in the future. But for now I'm just gonna clean it because I think it won't be that bad to clean it. Okay, got the wipes. Then after that, since when I'm done cleaning it, oh my goodness, look at that dust. When I'm done cleaning it, I'll show you how you can put it all back together. Simple as that. Now, I'm sure it won't be that hard, as you can see how I'm cleaning it. Goodness. Alright, good to go. Okay, the next one, we're gonna take the wipes and clean the top. Because the top PS4 has a little dust in there. My goodness. I wouldn't say little, but that much. Oh my goodness, look at this. It's all dirty. Of course, and there's more dust. That's where the fan filter came in and got it all dusty, and that's why my PS4 sounds like a jet. And now you guys know how to clean a PS4. Only thing we haven't got done here. And then when you're done using, most people use alcohol or like bottle of water like this or Windex. Well, of course, yeah, as you can tell, I'm doing my way here. So when you're done wiping your PS4, let it dry a few minutes, and then you can put it back for a part here. Alright, good as new. Okay, brand new. Alright, you guys, since you got done cleaning your PS4, you lift this piece gently. Make sure the cord is in there. So we lift it gently, put it back where it used to be. There we go, make sure the cord is inside, that way it stays in there. And now you just have to put the screws back in. Alright, you guys, make sure this Phillips screw facing this way. That's how my PS4, since I opened it up. Now here's the last one. So we're gonna screw that. Oops, there we go. Alright, you you guys, you take this piece, put it where it faced, and you push it down, make sure it's all chipped. Now you have to put those security torque screwdrivers in here, and you're good to go, and now you can start playing your PS4. Alright, you guys, you lift your PS4 and then you start cleaning with the Windex and you wipe it off all that dust, and I'm pretty sure you're good to go. So let me know how it goes. I'm pretty sure it's simple and easy. It's not that hard. Alright, you guys, got done putting my PS4. Now it's safely in good hands and on the shelf, so it's working and everything is good here. So let me know how your PS4 went, and I'll see you guys for a brand new video for next time on my YouTube channel. Anyways, take care you guys and see ya!